Hey dude, can I get your grinder?
Yeah, dude. It's stuffed ooze tutu.
No, I meant like your grinder.
Oh, yeah, for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you, man. I got you. Here, dude.
Oh, what the fuck?
Well, first of all, you touched my cock.
You said you had the grinder.
No, dude. All I said was here.
So where's the grinder?
Oh, it's right there, dude.
What a waste of time.
My bad.
Can I get your grinder?
Yeah, dude. It's Suck Me Dry and Stupid is spelt with 2 O's. It's Boy Meets World, and Meets is spelt with an A. Obviously. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think that shit perfect.